subscribe, and ring the bell to never miss an update.
Hello everyone, I am out reselling again. I was just at my neighborhood Goodwill and was reminded that some of my fellow shoppers have previously recommended this wonderful Hope Chest Resale Market. It benefits the community. I love charity resales, and I think it must be a good one because the parking lot is full. Come along inside, let's see what they've got.
The Hope Chest Resale Market is a hidden gem in the Houston area. I just wish I had popped in sooner. Let's go inside and I will show you around. They have lovely vignettes. It looks like a decor store and lots of tableware. Oh, you know I'm all about dishes. Look at these teacups and saucers from Wedgwood. I remember when the Signet Platinum pattern came out in the 90s. And who doesn't need white dishes? They go with everything. In fact, they would even look good with this black and white moose pattern. Isn't that nice? Be great for the winter. And this is the Westmoreland Glass Company snack set, and often called a sandwich set. My grandmother had this same pattern. I think I have a few of hers, but I'm gonna grab several of these sets. It's been marked down to $9 for a set of 4. Unbelievable. And this teacup and saucer looks a little bit like the Blue Danube, but it's not. It's a different pattern. It would be great for a collection for $5. And this is my pattern from Villard & Bach, the French Garden. And those are a lot of pieces you get with that set. And today they're pulling a discount at the register, anything from 10 to 50%. I got 30%. I didn't actually get these, but I did consider it, but I already have the pattern. And these serving pieces were sold separately. I might go back and get one of the Bakers. I have the same Baker in a solid white from Villard & Bach, and I use it every week. And these are nice pieces that could be displayed on a shelf, and then these are nice neutrals that will go with anything. I like the colored ramekins. That would be good for a creme brulee or many other desserts. You could serve custard in it. And this looks like Lenox, but I think it's not, but it could certainly blend with your Lenox pattern. I'm amazed at the prices too. I thought everything was very affordable and unique, and this is a vintage piece here. That would blend very well with a set of white dishes. My favorite category, glass and crystal. Of course, this goes with every pattern, every design. They even have a bridal table, and look at the punch bowl. Very familiar. I found this same one at a garage sale a while back without the pedestal, and this has been marked down to $27. I bought just the pedestal on eBay, and with shipping, it was about $27. And here's another punch bowl for $5, and with the additional discount you get at the register, that's amazing. Punch bowls, I think, are underappreciated. They are multi-purpose, so many uses for these. We'll have to talk about that in a future episode. And these pillar candle holders kind of remind me of faceted Swarovski crystal. Oh, the blue glasses. Those are fabulous. And look, there's a new in a box item. That looks like for babies, that's a porringer and a divided plate. And it looks like Arthur Court with the bunny design, and I think it is. And that looks like it could be Arthur Court. They really do a lot of bunnies in their designs. I think this is a great store for acquiring beautiful tabletop accessories like this tea set right here, $38 including the tray, or even for birthday gifts, hostess gifts. So many possibilities. This is a modern piece that would look great on a coffee table, or you could even line it with a cloth and serve biscuits or rolls in it. This has been a very well taken care of set. Someone has carefully polished it. And I think a silver plate flatware pattern is always good to have on hand. Holmes & Edwards, I have a pattern by this company. These iconic Royal Doulton mugs you see in antique shops, that's a really good price. They're highly collectible, would even be a good opportunity to flip these. And look at the Hummels. Where can you get a Hummel for $30? Even on eBay, that's probably well over $100. and retail probably $250. It's such a deal. This was a carefully curated collection that someone has donated. And I like the unique individual items they have. This caught my eye. It looks distinguished, and it is a Royal Worcester made in England for $2.50 and with an additional discount. Good deal. This is the Gail Pittman design for Southern Living. I have that piece that I've displayed in a segment before. And I think this plate would be great on an easel, maybe in a corner of a bookshelf, and add some interest to it for $5. Where can you get a piece like that? So many great gifts here. And I'm always reminded of my mother when I see this Avon Easter egg. I know it's not just for Easter. My mother kept hers on her vanity my whole life. I wish I still had hers. And pictures are so practical. That would be a good hostess gift right there. There are just so many great items they have. This is definitely going home with me. That looks like it's from Germany, and it is. It's from Bavaria for $1.50. Plus, I got an additional 30% when I drew at the register. They have a very nice clothing boutique. You almost feel like you're in a retail store. And everything is very well organized, clean. And they have tags on each item too, which made me feel like I was shopping in a retail store. And it looks like they're geared up for rodeo. And this blue design caught my eye. I like it's got a little bit of a modern edge to it. And see, look at those tags. Aren't they neat? So this was $4. Plus I drew 30% at the register. So there you go. Brand new blouse. And they had a lot of good labels as well. Some top brands. I like that jacket too. Be great for the spring or summer. And they do have handbags. They have them kind of in different areas. They even have some upstairs. And this caught my eye too. This is a vintage Dooney and Burke. I like the green colors. They have it featured with their spring items. $25. And if you happen to hit it on just the right day where they're featuring that particular category that's on sale, or you can draw it for a discount at the register. This is a Vera Bradley that looks like it's never been used, $15. I'm getting this for my friend's daughter in Germany so that when she walks to school, she can keep her things together for $8. And it was in new condition. These Brighton evening bags look gorgeous. I didn't even price them because I'm not in the market, but I know all their prices were very fair. And be sure to go into the very back room after you've shopped the gifts in the boutique. They have lots of furnishings. This is a DIY, it needs some love. And speaking of DIY, I've seen this type of cabinet turned into something amazing. So there you go for $75. Lots of sofas. That's a nice table. I like the top. Especially if you have college kids and you're looking to furnish an apartment. I have this same chair that we've painted gold, and it has a beautiful sort of an animal print seating on it. This is a modern look. I like the blue. So there's really something for every taste and decor. This rolling pin looks like a primitive. It's the largest one I've ever seen. You never know what you're going to find here at the Hope Chest. Again, a modern piece. So I really encourage you to take a look when you're adding furnishings, because you may think it's just antiques and old things, but it's really not. And lots of artwork. This clock is lovely. Look at the detail on that. That looks antique. And what a good price. It's only $75. And if you have a home theater, this would be perfect. Look at that artwork, ready to go.
I'm glad I popped into the Hope Chest resale today. I was amazed at the brands that they offer. Of course, these are items that are donated by the community. They have Earl Dilton, Hummel, Miller & Bach, Wedgwood, and so many more. Lots of home decor and wonderful brands in their boutique, along with Brighton and Vera Bradley handbags. They have a great children's section. I encourage you to find a local charity resale in your area. And if you want to know more about the cyhope mission and how they benefit students in this community, I will put some links in the description below. Thanks again for joining Lady Mary Beth. Elevate your everyday and shop with a purpose.
for joining Lady Mary Beth. Please hit like and subscribe. I hope to see you next time for more lifestyle tips.